Sam, with those stats top of mind, tonight a group is pushing a last-minute effort to stop the city and county from reopening businesses on Monday. News 4's Ashley Lincoln is live downtown detailing the Health Before Wealth effort.
Well, Steve, we took concerns regarding this petition to City Hall right here to the mayor's office. And while experts with this campaign say it's too soon to reopen, leaders tell us that they have specific guidelines in place to make sure it's done in a safe way.
This is absolutely unsafe to open St. Louis on May 18th.
That's why a group of St. Louis medical experts and medical students are pushing this petition, Health Before Wealth, demanding city and county leaders to not reopen businesses on May 18th.
We would rather prioritize the health of our economy rather than the health of our people.
ER Dr. Lori Punch says this decision will put millions at risk.
Well, if we're not making our decisions based on solid public health principles, then what are we making our decisions by?
She's been on the front lines for weeks, seeing firsthand the toll COVID has.
What I'm worried about is the day in and day out experience of this lethal, unstoppable virus.
She says there hasn't been a significant decline in COVID cases for a recommended 14-day period. Punch says the only way to reopen safely is having adequate COVID-19 testing, enough PPE for all residents, and suitable protections at all workplaces. Those who've signed the petition left messages like "Protect our city" and "Please don't open until it's safe." I reached out to both the city and the county for a comment. Mayor Lyda Cruz's office saying they understand the concern. That's why they're moving slowly and that businesses are not required to reopen. County Executive Sam Page has not responded to our request, but did announce earlier this week specific guidelines are in place for businesses to follow before reopening.
What we're going to see is a huge spike in cases.
We don't have universal access to PPE and we don't have universal access to testing, and that is a problem.
Now, this group, they have a list of action steps on their website. They also tell us that they have sent letters to both the city and the county. Now, they did tell us in the upcoming days they are considering a social distancing demonstration to get their point across if this date remains. We'll have more on this petition on our KMOV News app. Steve?
All right, Ashley.